Hello students. The next topic we are having is about the verification, design walkthroughs, critical design reviews, consistency checkers. So these all mean that once you have designed the system, it's not enough you just design and keep it away. In every process or in every after each and every step we need to verify it. Whatever is happening is whatever you have done, is it right, or anything improvement is to be needed, or whether it's enough, or has anything new could be added, you could make it better. So all these things have to be seen. So in the previous some of the videos we have seen the inspection, right? That is for the when you are actually trying to design the program, okay, when you're trying to design. So there is one more thing is after, even after you have detailed design the things, you need to verify the detailed design, okay. So inspection you have seen how you do it. There is a similar kind of thing like design walkthroughs, okay. So let us see the difference what actually happens. See, inspection also has a review leader, the author, specialized professionals like designer, coder, or implementer and tester. Whereas in the walkthroughs also there is a review leader, the author, specialized professionals like standards enforcer, maintenance expert and user representative. So you need to understand the difference. Whereas inspection is a total thing that is being done inside a company or inside that whoever is developing the software. It could be a company or it could be a team who is doing it everything. But the walkthrough also includes the one who is again from the company itself, who enforces the standards that need to be used for a software, and one who actually thinks of maintaining the software in the long run, and the user representative, that is one who uses from from the client side somebody will be there. So if you see the difference, see inspection there is a moderator, one who actually we have seen that there is a moderator, and he actually coordinates the meeting, and the others are like author, designer, tester, coder or implementer and all that. In a design walkthrough we call them as a coordinator, okay. That moderator, whatever his duty is done by the coordinator. There would be a maintenance expert, author, user representative, and standard enforcer. So the process differs this way. Organizational preparations will be done. There will be a overview meeting, that is before inspection. Everybody should actually go through what the program has been done or what the work has been done. And they review the document. Then the inspection sessions happen. And then whatever the corrections or rework should be done. And follow up and correction and again rework will be done. Whereas here there will be organizational preparations and brief overview reading. They will only look into it at that moment of time when they meet up, and walkthrough sessions will be there. So this is the main difference. So we are comparing a design review, inspection and a walkthrough. So what is it? If you the things that are done in these three things and how they differ, let us see. First is the overview meeting. What do you mean by overview meeting? That meeting that actually is happening before actually the matter is taken into account, okay. First it will be the overview meeting. So in design review they don't do that, in inspection they do, and walkthrough also they don't do that. And participants preparation, in design review and inspection both the participants has to be get ready with the information of whatever the meeting is going to be beforehand. Whereas in the walkthrough they also need, but it need not be in that depth, okay. A brief is enough. And review session, for all the things is there, for all the three there is a review session, in the sense you actually sit on a table and talk about it. And follow-up corrections is only for design review and inspection. In the walkthroughs you are actually seeing how actually the software is working, okay. You are not actually trying to modify the project or so, but you're trying to see how actually the project is working. Okay, then follow up corrections also, it's not there. And formal training of participants is not there in design review, but is there in inspections, and it's not there in walkthrough, because in review and walkthrough it's like an informal process. Okay, inspection is the one that is formally used, and participants use of checklist is not required in design review as well as walkthrough, and inspection it is a must. And error related data collection, not formally required, you can just speak up about it during the meeting, but in inspection you need to have a log of it, like whatever the errors are there you should have a written document about it. And even in the walkthroughs, the formally it's not required. And the review documentation, formal design review report should be written. In inspection, as it should be there, the findings and summary report should be there, whereas walkthrough you don't need it. So if all those things are there, but your company or you, if you don't have sufficient people for this, do you need an experts advice or expert in this term? It depends on the situations, like if there is insufficient in-house professional capabilities in a specialized area. For example, you are not a company who is using Python as of now, and if you get a offer to do it in a Python, and you need people for this, then you can have an expert in this area as your in-house, if you have as an advisor to your project. And if there is a temporary lack of professionals in the review team, so if the people are not that equipped with the skills they actually need to have, then also you can have. Then indecisiveness caused by major disagreements among the organization's senior professionals. So if you're in the organization, inside the organization itself, if you're not you know ready to agree on or come in terms in one term for the project, then you can have an expert advice from outside. And if it is a small organization, and there are no people for, like who is expert in reviewing, in that case also you can have an experts in the from outside who will be looking into your system. So this is about a little about the design walkthroughs and design review. Some of the other topics we'll see in the coming videos. Thank you.